Okay, so we're gonna get right into it. The shampoo that I'm going to use is called pelo, if that's how it's pronounced. It's a natural phytotherapeutic shampoo, and it helps capillary hair growth. It says that it's an innovative formula that provides extracts and 100% natural assets necessary for healthy hair, avoiding excess flaking and adding nutrients to return health, beauty, vitality, flexibility, and softness to the hair, and it's helping with hair growth. So I've been using this shampoo since I've had my big chop, which is in 2016. It has been on and off, but this is always my go-to shampoo. I'm gonna see if I could find it and just put the link in the description box, because I usually get these from the Hispanic corner stores, and they usually have these along with the silicone mix treatments and shampoos as well. But this is literally my go-to. It did help my hair grow a lot, actually. And yeah, right now I'm just shampooing my hair, making sure that the product is getting all in there. And I normally just wash my hair once, because I try to wash my hair often. I don't really put products in my hair, so I don't really have to go 2 or 3. And plus, I'm lazy, so yeah. Yeah. And then you see me doing a Jimmy Neutron hairstyle. I don't know why. But I like to really massage my scalp, because that promotes healthy hair growth as well. It wakes up and keeps the blood flowing in your scalp, which promotes hair growth. So yeah, let me give you guys a little backdrop to my hair. It looks long, right? But in all reality, my hair is damaged. So let's just call this a damaged hair routine, because my hair has not been the same after I got in a keratin treatment, and I did 1 silk press recently, and my hair just hasn't bounced back. I don't know what happened. Normally, keratin washes out in 3 to 4 months or weeks. No, I think 6 weeks it washes out, but I don't know. My hair is just really dead. So right now I'm taking the deep mask for the shampoo, and I usually like to use those products together, and it says that it basically says the same thing as the shampoo. Promotes hair growth, has natural plants for the hair growth, and it says apply the treatment after shampoo and let it act for 15 minutes. I don't know why they didn't say sit, they said act, but let it sit for 15 minutes. And I like to get my edges, because my edges needs to be moisturized. I always wear wigs, and they don't really get to breathe. So, and I like to do my eyebrows, because look at how sparse my eyebrows are. Like, I need them to grow, but they just haven't been grown. They've been the same since I was born, literally. So I just like to massage that into my scalp and on my hair to really, really, really let it sit. So I'm just parting my hair to make sure everything's evenly distributed. For some reason, I swear I put it on my roots, but now it's not looking like I did any of that. But it's fine. And then I'm just detangling my hair, making sure that there's no knots and snarls. And you always want to start from the ends. Like, look at my hair. My hair looks like I have a relaxer in it. That's so horrible to me, because my hair never looked like that. And I don't know what. Now my hair just looks thin and lifeless. But we're on track to get it back, literally. I don't care how long it takes. Or if I have to do another big chop. I really don't want to. But if I have to, I have to. So I'm just going to let that sit for a good 15 minutes. Comb it, make sure it's all evenly distributed. And if you can hear my neighbor's dog, I'm so sorry. I swear, every time I turn on my camera, it barks. I just think it knows when I want to record. So this is how much fallout that I have. Not that bad compared to my hair. Oh my gosh. So when I don't take my iron pills, my hair falls out like crazy. Like, it sheds a lot. And I'm guessing because there's no nutrients. But yes. I'm just going to keep massaging that. And I'm showing you guys my bald spot. I have a bald spot in the back of my head. And my nape is very thin. It's always been thin since I knew myself. My hair is just so weird. So we're going on to the generic brand mask. And I got this from Sally's. I think it was $8 to $10. I'm not sure. But I got water in my eyes and it started burning. But it's a deep conditioning hair mask. I guess it says you can compare it to It's a 10 Miracle Hair Mask. It enhances softness and smoothness. And it does really make your hair soft. I feel like that really moisturizes my curls, my fake curls that I have, because my curls are dead. But it really moisturizes my curls and helps my hair become more manageable. So I'm just going to apply it all over my hair. And let it sit for like 5 minutes. And look at them straight pieces in the front. I swear I don't even straighten my hair like that. I wear wigs all the time, so my hair is always in cornrows. Like, this is very sad looking back at this video because I don't know what to do at this point. I don't. Like, my hair needs CPR. So I'm just going to keep detangling it. Look at that. My curls is dead. My hair is wavy. It's not even curly anymore. This is a mess. Getting my edges again. Really massaging the product. So my roots is all grown out. As you can see, they're very kinky and puffy, which is great. I just need the rest of my hair to act like my roots because it goes, my roots are healthy, then my mid shafts and my ends are just a mess. But I'm just gonna continue combing the product through. Yeah, thumbs down for damaged hair. We're gonna get my hair back in shape. I'm probably gonna do an update in 6 months. Hopefully I didn't cut it by then. Or 3 months. Let's say 3 months. 6 months is a little too long. And this is me trying to put it in a ponytail, thinking I'm cute. But I actually needed a thumbnail. So we're going to go for that Lori Harvey bun because I have nothing else to do with my hair. I barely wear my hair out. I didn't even blow dry my hair. This is just it air dried. It was in a little ponytail. But yeah, I barely wear my hair out because I don't know. I don't really like wearing my hair out. But I do want to do a cute little bun. Okay, so let me give you guys some updates or some tea on my hair. So it's so weird because right now I'm using the natural hair comeback curl next day curl revitalizer. Just gonna put that more towards my ends because I don't want my roots to be wet. But I did get a keratin treatment. I did. I would say around my birthday, which was October. And I did it because I was getting microlinks. And I've been natural and my hair will always be frizzy and I didn't want to put so much heat on my hair. So, I would have put a leave-in conditioner, but certain products do not mix well with gel, and I don't want to have white stuff in my hair. That used to happen to me a lot when I was in middle school. But yes, so I had a keratin treatment, and when I first got it, my hair didn't really change much. The curl pattern did loosen out a little bit because my hair was very kinky and the curls were tight. And then I had gotten a silk press recently, I'll probably say a month ago, and that's when like my whole hair just changed. I don't know if it's heat damage, because one, when I had got the silk press, okay, so when I straighten my own hair, it's never straight, it's never bouncy, it's never silky. I used to think like, what the hell, like there's nothing that I could be doing wrong, because everybody's hair that I do would be very straight. Silk presses be very flowy, except for mine. So I'm just like, is it me? Am I doing something wrong? Is my flat iron, mind you, I had a good flat iron, so I don't know. But I did get my hair done. My hair, I'm just gonna leave that, but I'm gonna put it in a bun. I did get my hair straightened from my cousin, my older cousin, and my hair was so silky and smooth, and I didn't have to, oh my god, I need to fix these fix these baby hairs. I didn't have to put heat to my hair after I got it straightened. I didn't have to do anything actually. My hair was just very straight and very silky, very flowy. I don't know how I want to do my baby hairs, because they be trying to curl up and I hate that. But this is why I don't do my natural hair, because this shit is dumb. It be doing its own fucking thing. Let me see. Basically, my hair was very, very straight, bouncy, and I didn't have to wash it. I didn't have to do anything. So then when I finally did wash my hair, it was my hair became so straight, and I'm just like, even with the keratin treatment, my hair was never this straight. So I feel like my hair is heat damage. As you can see, when I washed my hair, I barely had any life to my hair. So when I seen that, I'm just like, oh my god, is my hair, mind you, I did the big chop in 2016 and my hair was very damaged. That's why I did it, and now it's damaged again 4 years later from one. It's not like I freaking straighten my hair all the time. From one good silk press, my hair does not know how to bounce back. So I've been trying to deep condition it and do all that stuff every 3 weeks. And the products that I use, been helping my hair grow. So it's helped my hair grow and stuff like that. I'll probably have a voiceover for the video, but it helped my hair grow. You can get it from the Spanish stores. Yeah, but this is basically what I'm gonna do to my hair. Probably let a little back curl come out. Oh, and I have a bald spot in the back of my hair. A piece of my hair got pulled out. And I had braids in and I was taking my hair out and I'm just like, wow, a long chunk of my hair came out. And I'm just like, where the hell did that come from? And then when I was getting my silk press, my cousin was like, you know you got a bald spot in your hair? And I'm like, what? I got a bald spot? No fucking way. But I'm probably gonna just wear my hair like this for a day or so, and then I'm going to I don't know, I kind of wanted a curly bun, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I'm not very skilled in my natural hair. But yeah, this is all I do. Normally you guys need to put in a leave-in conditioner, leave-in treatment, but today I didn't because I'm gonna be using gel and I do not want my hair to, you know, frizz up. No, not frizz up, turn white and stuff like that. So this is my wash day routine. I'm just gonna tie it up and that's it. I still have my edges from wearing all my lace fronts. The thing is, my hair is very thin, so if you guys know how to thicken your hair, but I always had thin hair from my childhood, so I don't know how I could thicken my hair, but your girl needs to get some thick hair. And I've been taking my iron pills and all of that. So this is my wash day, my bun, my edges still popping.